Unlock the power of SOSL operators in Apex to refine your Salesforce searches. Welcome everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about operators in SOSL. So without wasting any time further, let's proceed with the video. Now the following operators can be used in SOSL. The first one is this quotation mark operator. This quotation mark or double quotes operator is used to make sure that the search term specifies matches the exact order. For example, if I want to search proper tutorials to be in the exact same order, then I will use this double quotes operator. We also have AND operator. When we want to find items that match all the search terms. For example, if I am saying proper and tutorial, whenever I want to find items with both the word proper and the word tutorial. So let me use these two operators over there and refine our SOSL searches. So guys, here we are on our developer console, and let me actually zoom it so that you can see how it is appearing. Right now I'm searching few words over here, okay, and I'm going to search only on account so that I can focus on the operators that I'm talking about. So I should say I only want to see the results from the account. Okay, now what I want to search now, I want to search proper tutorials. So proper tutorials. Now let me click on execute, and if I see the output over here, it is showing me two names, proper tutorials and proper Salesforce tutorial. I actually added these two accounts over there. Now let me use proper and tutorials and let me execute this. So you won't find any difference because both these are having proper and tutorial. Let me search here Amit, or let me search proper and Kumar. Yeah, that would be better. And now let me execute. So now I am having only one account, though there were two accounts which is having proper tutorials and proper Salesforce tutorials and in their name, but I'm saying proper and Kumar, so it will find a name which is having both proper and Kumar. Now similarly, if I want to specify the order, I can use proper tutorials inside double quotes, and let me click on execute. Now again, you see it is giving me the result because still the order is same, tutorials is coming after proper, right? Now let me proceed ahead and talk about some more operators. So they are OR operator, which find item with at least one of the search term. I will show you that over there. And NOT operator, it finds that do not contain, find items that do not contain the search term. For example, proper and NOT tutorials find items that have the word proper but not the word tutorials. And then we have this parenthesis, which we can always use when we want to provide more than one criteria with the help of logical operator. So I will show you these operators as well. So let's quickly go back to the OR. Now here, first of all, I want to use the OR operator, just like I have used AND. So I will use proper or tutorials, and now let me click on execute. So here it is showing me proper tutorials, proper Salesforce tutorials, and proper space Kumar. Let me search for proper or Kumar, then I will get some options of Amit as well. Let me execute. So here you can see proper Kumar, proper Salesforce tutorials, proper tutorials, and Amit Kumar. So either proper or Kumar, right? And I can combine them by using parentheses like proper tutorials, okay, inside one and mentioning and or Amit Kumar, Amit and Kumar. Let me mention like this. And now let me execute. So I'm getting either proper tutorials or Amit Kumar, but I'm not getting proper Kumar because here I'm saying either it should be proper and tutorials or it should be Amit and Kumar, and that's why I'm not getting this proper Kumar or Amit Academy. There is one Academy as well, so I'm not getting that as. So these are few more operators that you can certainly use. Let me use and NOT here, proper and tutorials. So if I'm mentioning that, I will certainly get proper tutorials, and I'm using and NOT Salesforce. Let me execute this. Now I'm getting only proper tutorials. So proper and tutorials and not Salesforce. So this is how you can modify your searches over here by using these different operators inside it. Now that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.